Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plant bare root Siberian iris. First, let's prepare for success. Choose a sunny spot with good drainage, as these plants thrive in such conditions. Amending your soil with organic matter like compost will provide essential nutrients. Before planting, remember to soak the bare roots in water for a few hours. This helps them rehydrate and get a strong start in their new home. Now, let's get those bare roots into the ground. Dig a hole about 3 to 5 inches deep, ensuring it's wide enough for the roots to spread out naturally. Form a small mound of soil in the center of the hole. Carefully place the iris on this mound, fanning the roots downwards. The crown, where the roots meet the foliage, should be 1 to 2 inches below the soil surface. After positioning your iris, gently backfill the hole, making sure the soil firmly contacts all the roots. Immediately water the newly planted iris thoroughly. This helps settle the soil and eliminates any air pockets. Proper spacing is crucial for healthy growth, so ensure each plant is 18 to 24 inches apart. This gives them ample room to flourish and develop into beautiful clumps. For long-term success, consistent care is key. Keep the soil consistently moist, particularly during dry spells, but avoid waterlogging. Applying a 2 to 3 inch layer of organic mulch will help retain soil moisture, regulate temperature, and suppress weeds. To maintain plant vigor and abundant blooms, consider dividing your established iris clumps every 3 to 5 years. This simple practice keeps your Siberian iris healthy and thriving.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.